BJP is holding a presser there. Vijayendra, let's listen in.
After we successfully planned Padayatra against the corrupt Chief Minister, Mysore Chalo, from Bangalore to Mysore, we carried out our Padayatra against the corrupt Chief Minister. During this period, respected governor received more than 3 petitions, complaints against corruption that has taken place in Muda scam. Allegation was directly against the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah ji. So, respected governor, after consultation and deliberation, respected governor had given the sanction for prosecution. But Chief Minister and the Congress ministers challenged the order of the governor, challenged the order of prosecution given by respected governor. They challenged it in the High Court. So after a detailed argument that had taken place in the High Court, today High Court has come out with a judgment which has clearly said the petition challenged by the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been dismissed by the Honorable High Court. At the same time, the judge has observed that all are equal before the law. All are equal before the law. So, Honorable High Court has upheld the order of prosecution given by the governor. So at this juncture, I demand Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji to resign from the post of Chief Minister immediately without any further delay. I demand Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, without wasting any further time, he should tender his resignation immediately. ನೋಡಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತೀರ್ಪು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ತೀರ್ಪನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಮೂಡ ಹಗರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಕುಟುಂಬನೇ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರಮಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಮುಖಂಡರು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದಂತೂ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು.
All right, BJP chief there, Vijayendra, who says that it's now incumbent on the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah of Karnataka to resign on moral grounds, as the High Court has very clearly observed that the governor is well within his jurisdiction to order grant for prosecution. Now, Siddaramaiah will have to face probe, which means he cannot function effectively as the Chief Minister of Karnataka, and therefore he must resign. Expect the BJP to mount pressure, and that's what's happened. Without any delay, the BJP has now come forward to hold a presser. The BJP president himself, Yediyurappa's son, Vijayendra, who's just held a press conference claiming corruption against Siddaramaiah and a demand for him to resign. Nagarjun Dwarkanath stays with us on that. Nagarjun, please take it away on the BJP mounting pressure at this point. There seems to be no slacking, no waiting. BJP has now jumped in to fire at Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, asking him on moral grounds to resign with immediate effect. Nagarjun, if you're with me. All right, we're going to try and get Nagarjun on the line there. Nagarjun, if you could take us through BJP mounting pressure. Vijayendra already holding a press conference, listing out the corruption, asking Siddaramaiah to resign on moral grounds.
Well, that is true. The BJP has mounted pressure. There's now the state chief, Vijayendra, is holding a press conference as we speak, demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister, saying not a second that the CM can continue in his chair, that no morality is left